What is up, guys? It is me, Jose Carlos Garcia Perea, here again. And today we're going to talk about these car crashes. We're on a trip. We're passing by this IKEA. But that has nothing to do with our video today. We're actually going to talk about car crashes. Seatbelts and stuff. I know about the safety, you guys learn about the safety, blah blah blah. I don't really care about safety, but your seatbelts actually make you safe and hold on to you on a car crash. Let's find out. So as you can see, you're on your little trip to Mexico, where I am going now, until a car crash happens. This. Whoa! See that? Just went boom. That time it would save you. But look, it can also boom, boom. Right? Save you for a bit. But on the first time when I tried it, I went flying out, hitting my head onto this seat. Yeah. So that proves your seatbelts are not actually protecting you, but they will make you have injuries. May hold you back for sometimes. Like that. Boom. But on the first time, it can make you fly away. So all car brands, make sure to make your seatbelts safe. See you guys next time. This is Jose Carlos Garcia Perea, going out.